In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a breakout room in Zoom. If you're in a Zoom meeting and the host has enabled breakout rooms, joining one is very quick and simple. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to look for on your screen. First, while you're inside the Zoom meeting, find the More option in your meeting controls. This is usually located along the bottom toolbar on desktop, although the exact position can vary a little depending on your device or window size. If you don't immediately see it, move your mouse over the Zoom window to make the controls appear. Then click on More to open the additional menu options. Once that menu opens, look for Breakout Rooms. This is the section where Zoom lets you access any room the meeting host has made available to you. Click on Breakout Rooms to continue. If you don't see this option, it may mean the host hasn't opened Breakout Rooms yet, or they haven't assigned you to one. In that case, you may just need to wait a moment for the host to finish setting everything up. After you click Breakout Rooms, you should see the option to join. This appears when a breakout room is ready for you to enter. Click Join, and Zoom will move you from the main meeting into that breakout room. Depending on your settings, you may also see a small confirmation pop up before entering. If that happens, just confirm that you want to join. Once you're inside the breakout room, you'll be able to participate in the smaller group discussion or activity that the host has arranged. This is useful for workshops, classes, team meetings, and other sessions where people need to split into smaller groups for a short time. A helpful tip is to make sure your Zoom window stays active while you wait for the room invitation, because if you miss the prompt, you might need to go back through the menu again. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on any messages from the host in case they give instructions before sending everyone into rooms. So to join a breakout room in Zoom, click More, click Breakout Rooms, and then click Join. That's all it takes. And that's how to join a breakout room in Zoom.